Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
Crossovers enable you to skate smoothly around a circle and corners. Many more complex steps start with a crossover. Try doing the move in both directions.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Your left leg and right arm should be pushed out in front. Step 2. Push off, bending your knees for power onto a left outside edge and stretch your right leg behind. Step 3. Lean into the curve and bring your right foot across the left leg. Step 4. Place your right foot on the ice on an inside edge. Step 5. The left skate will start to push away with the outside edge and will extend backwards. Return your feet together and then repeat.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Your hips, arms and shoulders should stay in the same position throughout the move. As your free leg comes forwards, try to balance on the inside edge. Lean into the circle. Don't rush bringing your foot across. Make sure the inside skate remains on an outside edge to prevent you going in a straight line.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Put your opposite arm forwards. Push onto the outside edge. Cross over. Place your crossed foot on the inside edge. Roll your foot away.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.